Namaskar. I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you this coming weekly forecast for all of you. All the predictions are based on Indian astrology, all the predictions based on your moon sign. Going to talk about Taurus. Taurus this particular week will bring a mixed fruit, mixed rewards. Sometimes financial gain can be mediocre. You will be achieving success in your efforts, no doubt about it. You're developing a lot of professional contact with people, with professional people. Those professional people will offer you here and there few opportunities. You'll have quite a few opportunities to make a quick money. But you have to consider a long-term future instead of thinking about quick fix situations. Health can be here and there. Sometimes peace of mind and happiness can be all over the place. You'll come across few obstacles, maybe few arguments or conflicts inside the family, outside the family. You have to be very careful, making sure that you're not going to bruise anyone's ego, pride and honor with your behavior. Sometimes tension level can be sky high. Sometimes you can be upset and disappointed. Running around will be quite a lot. There are a lot of secret tensions here and there, but you have to be very careful. Beware of cheating and deception. This particular week, aggression have to be avoided completely, and make sure that in any situation regarding family or domestic life, you have to have a base of understanding before you present your ideas, opinion, or imposing your will on other people. You have to be passionate about other people's needs, what they're expecting from you. But health-wise, may I say that look after your lower abdomen, digestive system, anything to do with blood and urine. Task of the week for you. Take 8 kg sugar, donate to the temple in the Langar. Donate 6 kg basmati rice, donate to the temple in the Langar. Take 12 blue flowers, bury in the ground on Friday evening. And another task, donate whole meal atta and chana dal to temple in the Langar. Take 4 kg or 10 kg barley, feed the birds in the park. Another task, do wear a saffron tilak on your forehead all the time. So these are your tasks. Precaution wise, watch your temper, watch your conduct, watch your dealing. And the chant which will protect you from any adverse situation, Aum Harim Kalim Hum Matangaye Fat Swaha. Aum Harim Kalim Hum Matangaye Fat Swaha. Aum Harim Kalim Hum Matangaye Fat Swaha. More you do it, more you achieve it. Thanks for watching my weekly horoscope. If you have enjoyed this video, then please do give it a like. To get the latest and advanced horoscope based on your moon sign weekly, monthly, yearly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Look after yourself. Take care.